We did a little bit of maintenance today. We changed the oil, we changed the fuel filter, and we changed the air filter. You should probably change it every 5,000 or 5,000 miles. We're running that Rotella T6 now. Full synthetic. Our 30-day challenge is almost over. So are we gonna quit doing our 30-day challenge, or are we gonna catch you guys on the next one? Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Don't miss out. What are we going to do, Carter?
Change the oil in the truck.
Our first time ever changing the oil in the truck. It's our first time changing the oil in the truck. We normally have somewhere to do it, but you guys know that I haven't had the best of luck with the dealership that we go to or whatever. But so we're just gonna learn how to do it ourselves and save some money and get the experience, I guess. So we're just cruising along down the road, and we're gonna take you guys along with us because there's not many videos or not many people that change their oil nowadays, and I don't know why. So we're gonna figure out today why or what's going on. So till then, like, subscribe, show your friends, keep on watching. I was supposed to do this guy was supposed to video the whole oil change so he could post it on our YouTube.
You have to hold that plug, bud.
Drink up, baby. This is liquid gold. Put this back in the back of the truck, even though it's empty. Let me see this other oil cart. We're not even on the dipstick yet. Okay guys, so we changed the oil, we changed the fuel filter, and we changed the air filter. So we did a little bit of maintenance today. We were supposed to bring you guys along with us, but we just got right into it. Our camera guy here, Carter, he was supposed to remind me, but so we got it all changed. We're just filling her up now. We got the air filter changed, so that'll be good for a while. We went with Wix on that. Everything else we did GM. We're gonna run that Rotella T6, see how well that does. So come along with us. How do you get it to show up on the dipstick?
It's not on the dipstick?
No, and I put two of them jugs. One time I checked my oil. One time I checked my oil, but it didn't come on until I started it. And then my oil showed up on the dipstick. So I don't know.
You're supposed to wipe the dipstick, stick it.
Yeah.
What's the dipstick?
Right here.
Yeah. Sorry. Barely on the dipstick. It has to take a little fucking TV on this one.
What happens if we put too much oil? Let me see that other oil part, the full one. 2024 Chevy Silverado with the 6.6 Duramax oil capacity. $10 quarts.
Okay, 10 quarts, 4 quarts, so 2 more quarts.
2 more of this.
There's 3 gallons, there's 4 quarts to a gallon.
So go to...
There's 4 quarts to a gallon, so 2 gallons is 8 quarts. And you're saying 10 quarts, so half of this. So
And it's still probably filling up that oil filter
I
too.
need to do the oil
Okay.
filter. But you gotta keep your foot on it while it's crazy.
No, it just filled up.
Yeah, so you gotta put some more in it.
Where the hell did it go?
Fill the filter up. One through that oil filter.
Oh yeah. I forget about that.
Put it down to 2 quarts.
See, I'm glad about 3. Right?
Yeah, and put more in.
What happens if you put too much oil into these?
I don't know, I ran mine. Depending on the filter I put on mine,
Yeah.
it'll take either 3 gallons or it'll take 13 quarts. If I put a Napa filter on it,
Yeah.
I gotta run 13 quarts.
I was gonna get a Napa filter, but I don't like Napa. Just like that. Right?
Right to that top line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still fucking black.
See, probably, let's see. You put that extra quart in,
Yeah.
probably could put the extra half in, which would be fine, it would have kept you off the top of that, but it's been between the marks, instead of all the way to the top of the mark.
Yeah.
You'd be all right.
Yo, yo, yo! We finished it up. We changed out all our filters. We got it going, and it didn't take us too long. We just kind of were dilly-dallying around. I think if we were just to just do the filters, it would have been a quick, easy process. But for us to do the oil, I mean, it would have been an easy, quick process. But we got quoted 300, 318, 350 for you guys to get oil change, right? So we did it ourselves. We saved probably about $150 at least, and we changed everything, and we know it's done right. And yeah, so if you guys want to do your own oil change, it's very doable, and I think you should probably change it every 5,000 miles. We're running that Rotella T6 now. a full synthetic 5W40, I believe is what it is. It might be 1540. I'll get the details on that. But we got OEM filters other than the air filter. We got wicks. And I think down the line we're going to run wicks filters all around. Try it out, because yeah, we're going to start doing our own oil, our own fuel filter. It's not hard, it's very doable, and we put quite a bit of oil, and it has to go through it, but we want to start doing our own oil changes. It's going to save us some money in the long run. It's going to give our kids the education to do their own oil down the road. Yeah, save them some money, and just let them know that they can do it yourself, you know. You don't have to. So if you do the oil and everything, the oil socket is a 15. There is on fuel filter, that is a 32 or 36. I'll have to double check that info, but it was pretty tight on there. So we got that taken off, and it's a plastic housing, so we didn't really want to crack that. I don't know my own strength, I guess, neither. It's always nice to have somebody that can help you out, tell you, hey, you're doing it too tight. So you guys want to like, subscribe, show our friends, catch you guys on the next one. That's today's video. How to do an oil change on a 2024 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD LTZ 6.6 Duramax doable. So you guys, if you guys want to start saving money, do it yourself. Maybe if you're at a campground or something, just ask, you know, hey, is it okay if I maybe change my oil, clean up after myself? I won't get oil, you know. You just got to respect property and their belongings. So, and if they do let you do it, don't mess it up for everybody else. Get oil all over and not try and clean it up, or because oil does, no matter what, oil goes everywhere. Sometimes you gotta be quick, you gotta be fast. Like, subscribe, show our friends, catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. We appreciate it. Yeah, our 30-day challenge is almost over. So are we gonna quit doing our 30-day challenge, or are we gonna keep posting every day? If you guys would like to see us post every day, let us know in the comments down below. If you want to have one video, maybe one video and a teaser or something, you guys just let us know, and we'll make that happen. My beautiful wife, our video editor, I think she does pretty good, so you guys should let her know down in the comments. Yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Don't miss out. Talk later.
Bye.
Later.